Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a huge and thunderous round of applause for your top 11 finalists of Miss Manipur 2019.
Yes, without any further delay, here are your final 5 in random order. We begin the final 5 with contestant number 11, Ringzoy Lavon Lamkang.
Next round is contestant number 4, Maria Chagupangambong.
Ilambam Langlin Chanu, contestant number 12.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Sing Sing Panwai, contestant number 6.
Here with for contestant number 5, Marlene Ningmonche.
Gosh, ladies behind the hold on, there is a surprise for you. There is a surprise for you. We have another finalist going through to the next round, and this is again because of tie in the tally, and the 6th spot of Miss Manipur 2019 goes to A.R. Mathay.
Yes, contestant number 3, A.R. Mathay.
Ladies at the back, your journey in Miss Manipur 2019 will have come to an end here, but don't be disheartened. This is, of course, a big achievement that you were a part of Miss Manipur 2019. Ladies, please come back a bit.
Yes, congratulations to the top 6 finalists.
Lovely.
Yes, now each of the 6 finalists will answer questions that they'll be picking up from the basket. Each of them will answer 2 questions, right?
Yes. And congratulations to all the beautiful 6 ladies out there. This is indeed a very, very nice journey till here, but from here on, I don't know what's going to happen, so be sure that you are confident, alright?
Alright, let's not be too formal, right? Let's be very casual, relaxed, because the questions here I'm sure will be pretty easy, so relax. Each of you will be asked 2 questions each, alright? So, yes, let's begin with Ringzoy Lavon Lamkang, contestant number 11.
Okay, how has it been that you got up till here? What do you feel?
Well, I feel so grateful and I'm immensely overflow with joy.
Okay. All right. So contestant number 11, your question is a very simple question. Which have it easier in life, men or women? Which have it easier in life?
Thank you so much for that beautiful question. Well, being a woman, I would say woman has an easier life because we are a greatest gift from God, and as a woman, we enjoy the pain of giving birth to a life child, and we enjoy giving raise up a life and giving our generation. So I would say women have an easier life.
Beautifully answered. But you will have to answer another question again. For the final 6, we have 2 questions each prepared. So let's see what our next question is. Okay, your next question is, if you wake up tomorrow and gained any one ability or quality, what would you want it to be and why? Can I repeat for you?
Thank you so much for the question once again. If I wake up tomorrow and have the ability to change something, I would like to change the mindset of a people of Manipur. That is to erase the boundaries and the thoughts that we belong to different communities, that thank you, that we all belong to same community, and it is time for us to come together as one. Hatred, violence, and discrimination is not the words that we should live by. Let's have love in our heart and unity in our prayer. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ring Zoe Label Namkang, beautifully answered.
Good luck to you.
Next we have Maria Chanu Pangabam. Your first question is, don't be nervous, alright, just relax. Your question is, what do you think is the biggest obstacle that you have had to overcome in your personal life? Shall I repeat for you? Alright.
Thank you so much for the question. And once again, I have to answer the same answer. It's a very delightful evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have an inability to say no. Because of that, I face a lot of challenges in my higher secondary school level, being surrounded by my classmates and bullied by them. Because of that, I want to give up my life, but I did not. I have elevated, I gather up all my broken pieces and work more harder with full dedication to be able to prove enough that I will because I can, and that's the triumph. No matter what I face in my life, good or bad, I have learned something from it. Because of that, I'm standing here on the stage, advocating about a cause, competing with all these beautiful ladies. And of course, I have overcome it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maria Chanu. Let's see what our next question is.
Am I doing?
I feel very excited. At the same time, I'm very good right now.
Okay, so very simple again. What would you say to someone that says pageantry degrades women?
Thank you so much for the question. And once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Pageants like Miss Manipur pageant gives us young women a platform to foray in the fields what we want. For Sahid, be it entrepreneurship, be it armed forces, be it politics. These platforms gives us young women an opportunity to voice our choices and opinion that makes us strong, independent that we are today. at the same time, pageant had already boosted my confidence and raised my self-esteem. So pageant doesn't degrade to women, it gives power to women. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Maria Chanu Pangambam. Next, let's welcome Ilangbam Langlane Chanu, contestant number 12.
Okay, Langlane, kamdauri. Nungairi, pakat bro, takut bro. Okay, very simple question. If inner beauty is emphasized in beauty pageants, then why are there physical requirements upon joining it? Nunggi oiba phajaba sina beauty pageant ta hena maru hena lauragadi kari tawagidamagta mahaki statistics haiba tare anem awang magi sai yengi bisi kari gi no haibdu haiwa.
Thank you so much for a beautiful question. Beauty pageant ama yauba matamda mayamna khalli sak phajaba khaktani haina wang chauba du khaktani haina madu natte. Beauty pageant haibasi wang budu su darkar oi phajaba du su darkar oi adubu khwaidagi hena maru oi ribadi beauty plus brain duri masada haiba singba like laishugi mangal ningthina leiba lairi khaktamak hairaga su yade laisu haiba su yawgadabani adugi su mathakta masada thaksi khasi haiba sisu yawgadabani yamna samna hairabada beauty pageant da khudimak darkar oi simadi darkar oi de simna darkar oi hainingai leite khudimak darkar oi masi haizage. Thank you.
Okay, your second question is, how do you treat people who can do nothing for you? How do you treat people who can do nothing for you?
Nahakidamagta karigubam ta tawba ngamdaba mido nang matawkaram na mamonda treat tawge.
Again, thank you so much. I get a mother, Karisu, the one of me, Amada. I tatita win a kid with the suka kandi. Mabu hen and ushi. Maramdi, me amana me, Amada Mating Pangam dribase. Mau Masada award pa amalay banani. Kariguma Masada award pa latrava. Magi akoibada. Kubir gili called gumna, award a pamta later bataraga, the masuk soy than a karigumota or a share or a kadi. Adungam the me today that. Aina nang simang amdre haidana ninghana duna mangonda tatita wena tawba ai punsida sungpa paute adugi mahuta mabu hena nungsi manang amdre haidana aina ninghalna raga tawroidaba natte one day nongma traga nongmadi soidamaki aina ngasi mangonda nungshina wahai wata natraga thabak amana tawribado nongma traga nongmadi kaisu natte haiba posak amana aigundadi achauba thaba ama oiraga aigi mai pakpa lambi natragana aigi tungi punsida achauba mai pakpa oigadaba ama mana ohelakpa suyai maram asina aigi damak karisu tawbiraktaba mi amagi damak ai chawthokna leptuna magi damak mating aduki matik chawna pangani thagachari.
Thank you very much. Next we have Sing Sing Palme. Okay, your first question is, if there's one thing you want to change in the Manipuri culture, what is it and why?
Thank you for the question. If I am given a chance to change one thing in our Manipuri culture, I would stop mob justice. And very sadly, mob justice is frequent in our culture and in our state, Manipur. It is unconstitutional, and it is not the right of us to interfere in the issue of others. There is laws and there is courts to look after that if judgment is needed. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Fully answered.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm excited and feeling a little cool.
Are you confident that you're going to win this title?
Yes, I'm confident and I have my confidence in God.
Okay, so let's see what is your answer to the second question. How would you behave if you were the best in the world at what you do? Do you want me to repeat? How would you behave if you were the best in the world at what you do?
Thank you for the question. Being a best person is just an illusionary title. No one is better than anyone, regardless of what title you hold in life. But if I am considered as one of the best person in the world, I will remain humble and be a loving person as I am today. And I would encourage my co-humans, my fellow humans, to behave like humans and stay truthful to themselves. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Beautifully answered. Let's welcome contestant number 5, Marlon Ningwon. By the way, how are you feeling tonight?
Feeling excited.
All right, let's see what the question is. Okay, your question is, how should a beauty queen respond to ruthless criticism? Let me repeat, how should a beauty queen respond to ruthless criticism?
Thank you for the question. Very good evening once again, everyone. I think a beauty queen has to have the confidence to take up what everyone thinks of her, because if we started to take other people advice more than what we think, then we can never come out of our seals and empower ourselves. So even if there is a ruthless criticisms of us, we need to think for ourselves first and think that we are more important than others. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's see what your next question is.
Let me ask you another question. Are you okay?
Yes.
No nervous?
No nervous about it.
Okay, very good. Right, so you seem very confident. Let's see, what is your next question? Okay, are you finding your dream job or are you creating it? Okay, are you finding or searching your dream job or are you creating it? Give reason.
Thank you once again for the question. I am creating my dream job because I dream to be a social worker, and that is a social worker who gives inspiration to others, especially the young, who is the future. I want to be the examples of others. Means like when other people point at you for being the weakest, you saw them with your deeds, not like a dog barking back to the other dog, but rather with the, like, you saw them with your deeds that you could do it. So like this, I would like to conclude my answer. Thank you.
Thank you. That was lovely, lovely answer. Yeah, thank you.
Next we have A.R. Mateng. Yes, A.R. Mateng, before you pick your question, what was your reaction? Because we were supposed to announce final 5, but you fortunately made the final 6. So what was your reaction to that?
Well, yeah, to be honest, I was quite disappointed, but I was hoping at the same time that please let me be in top 5. And I learned a lesson that there is nothing wrong in hoping for something that you really want. And I hoped, and my dream came true. I'm in top 5 right now.
Congratulations to you for that. So let's see what your question is. Okay, your first question. What is the greatest advantage of being a woman?
Phew. Well, thank you very much for the question. The greatest advantage of being a woman, I should say, is being a woman itself. Because all the charms of woman we have, the essence of woman, the essence a woman has, the quality of femininity she has, that is something the man cannot possess. And I think that is just too perfect and too beautiful for me. And I think, yeah, with that I would like to conclude my answer. Thank you.
Thank you. Answered really well. Let's see what your next question is.
Right, I can hear people calling out Uncle Now, right? So say hi to them.
Hi, Uncle Now.
Okay, I think here is your question. When was the last time you did something for the first time? Oh my gosh. When was the last time you did something for the first time?
Well, I remember in 2019, I went for a trip to Manali and I did a bungee jumping. But to be honest, I'm scared of height and I challenged myself that no matter what, I have to overcome my fear. And I think that was the first time I did something for the last time. And to be honest, it was such a challenging moment for me and I felt great after doing it. I felt like I have achieved something in my life and that made me really happy. Thank you.
Very good. Congratulations once again. Good luck to all of you. That was a very tough questions, but I am really, really delighted that you all answered very well. Thank you.
Congratulations. Yes, everyone, a huge round of applause for our final 6. Again. Back to you very soon to announce the winners of Miss Manipur 2019.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting once again before you is Rani Sharma. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome her with a thunderous round of applause.
This is the end. For this is the end. Drawn and dreamt this moment, so overdue I ought there, swept away on stone. Let this
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me up the dirt. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things what I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dirt. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me free. Things I can't help beating. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside your hand, and you played out to defeat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I heard one of you. I'm gonna make your heart burn. See how deeply down to your despair. Making homes on there's a man sure won't be sure. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me free. Things I can't help beating. We could have had it all. Running in the deep. You have my heart inside your hand, and you played out to defeat. Could have had it all. Running in the deep. You have my heart inside your hand, and you played it. We beat it. Try us all through every open door. You count your blessings, we find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back and counter with just what you show. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside your hand, and you played out to defeat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside your hand, but you played it to defeat.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks once again, Rani Sharma, for those very powerful numbers. Once again, thank you.
Yes, by the way, we are very close to announcing the winner of Miss Manipur 2019. But before we do that, I think we should call on the stage the reigning winners. So we do that. Okay, we shall now call on the stage the reigning winners of Miss Manipur 2018. Yes, we shall first call out the second runner-up.
Or the second princess.
The second princess, yes. They were called the second princess last year. So, yes, the second princess of Miss Manipur 2018. Let's welcome Ngangong Vidyapati on the stage, everyone.
Second princess of Miss Manipur 2018.
Yes, she is also the reigning Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2019. Let us make some noise, everyone, and welcome the reigning Miss Manipur 2018, Miss Raina Sharma Laimayum. Everyone, please welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Raina Sharma Laimayum, the reigning queen, Miss Manipur 2018.
Yes, everyone, there they are, the reigning winners of Miss Manipur. A huge round of applause for all of them, everyone.
And also, yes, please welcome all the top 6 finalists back on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to keep on cheering.
Okay, everyone, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Now, 6 beautiful ladies standing in front of us. Only one of them will be crowned Miss Manipur 2019. Without any further delay, we shall announce the winners. I have the results in my hand. And we shall begin with the second runner-up. Second runner-up of Miss Manipur 2019 goes to...
Any guesses, people? Second runner-up. Which one? Okay, let's see.
Alright, let's go ahead. Second runner-up goes to Ilangbam Langlin Chanu, contestant number 12.
Congratulations to Langlin Chanu.
We would like to call the directors of Lamzingba Group, Lema Popam Malim Nada Meite, Mutum Byron Singh, and also Krishna Akoism, HR Lamzingba Group.
Esteemed partners who has exclusively powered Miss Manipur 2019, Lamjingba Group. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Lamjingba Group kita magkahubo ko ba matang magkagahan na ni sige sige sing event sige main sponsor. Okay, please join us Ngangom Vidyavati in crowning the second runner-up of Miss Manipur 2019. And the second runner-up will walk away with a cash prize of rupees 60,000, photo shoot for Hiyai Furniture Studio Sangay Pro Imphal. She can also work out for free of cost at Shefit 7 Clan for 1 year. And of course a gift hamper from Soulmate.
Yes, congratulations to the second runner-up, Ilangbum Langlin Chanu. And we would also like to thank Lamzingba Group, the exclusive sponsors for Miss Manipur 2019.
Who will be crowned first runner-up of Miss Manipur 2019? And the first runner-up is, ladies and gentlemen, can you guess the contestant numbers? Any guesses? First runner-up. Right, ladies and gentlemen, first runner-up of Miss Manipur 2019 is, you are right, contestant number 11, Ringjoy Livon Lamkang.
Congratulations to Ringjoy Livon Lamkang on winning the first runner-up of Miss Manipur 2019. To crown her, please welcome Langpok Lakpom Melody, the reigning first princess of Miss Manipur.
Runner-up will be walking away with a cash prize of rupees 80,000. Photo shoot for Hiyai Furniture Studio, Sangay Pro Imphal. She can also work out for free of cost at Shefit 7 Clan for 1 year. And of course a gift hamper from Soulmate. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 beautiful ladies huddling up there. And the fate of one of those girls will be changed forever from this moment on. And let's see who the winner is.
I think I'm more nervous than the ladies standing there.
Yeah.
Okay. Ladies, only 4 of you remains, but only one of you will be crowned Miss Manipur tonight. But congratulations for making this far. Yes.
Right, so ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay.
Okay, Miss Manipur 2019 goes to contestant number. So we do it together? Alright.
Contestant number
3, AR Mate! Yes, congratulations to AR Mating, contestant number 3, and she is Miss Manipur 2019. And to do the crowning, may I invite the reigning Miss Manipur,
Raina Sharma Laimayong, please join us in crowning the new Miss Manipur 2019, A.R. Mating. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Manipur 2019 will be taking away cash prize with one hand. Photo shoot for EI Furniture Studio, Shanghai Broyum Fall. Will be walking down the ramp with Bollywood celebrity Amisha Patel at Papul, the Fraternal Union of Art, Fashion and Music, to be held on 21st February 2020 at HVS Brown in Fall. She can also work out for free, of course, at Chef Fit 7 Clan for 1 year, and of course a gift hamper from Soulmade.
yes, everyone, AR Mating contestant number 13 is your Miss 3, sorry, is your Miss Manipur 2019. Congratulations to all the 3 winners.
Give it up for A.R. Mating, the new Miss Manipur 2019.
Yes, ladies, take your first walk as the winners of Miss Manipur 2019. Everyone, a huge round of applause for this gorgeous winners standing in front of you.